When you think of flow in a pull system, you cannot overlook value streams. In this module, we will look briefly at what a value stream is and learn why understanding the value stream can help you improve flow. You cannot understand flow without understanding a value stream. So, let's do just that by answering the question, what is a value stream? The value stream is the entire set of activities that are required to design, produce, and provide services or goods. In other words, it is all of the activities in your organization that are needed to design, manufacture, and deliver products or services to your customers. Included in every value stream is both information and materials flow. Value, as it is referred to here, is the worth of a product or a service when it is delivered to your customers. Value can include many different things to a customer. In essence, though, it includes the fulfillment of a need, want, or desire that a customer has. This may include quality, usefulness, functionality, availability, pricing, attractiveness, life cycle, and many other things. When a value stream map is used, you can identify both value-added and non-value-added activities. Value-added activities are those activities that transform materials or information into value from the customer's perspective. These activities typically have three characteristics to them. Somebody must be willing to pay for the service or item, transformation occurs, and the activity is performed correctly the first time through. With this in mind, one of the main purposes of understanding a value stream as it relates to a pull system is to reveal and eliminate waste or non-value-added activities so that the value stream is predominantly made up of value-added activities and flow can occur. And that's it. A brief overview of a value stream as it relates to pull systems. We'll see you in the next module.